Here you go. Sideways scrolling on Pac-Man hardware, running in MAME debugger. Complete illusion. I've got 12 sprites on screen, but there are only 6 sprites on Pac-Man hardware. What I'm doing is interlacing the sprites, and by choosing a decent colour, this red colour, you don't actually notice the flicker at all. So what looks like 6 sprites or looks like 12 sprites is actually 6 switching really quick on alternate frames. So that's for 30 frames every second the sprites are in one position, and then on the next set of frames they move to a different position. But because you're doing that so quick and you're doing it quite timely, you don't see any flicker. I don't say any flicker, there's a little bit of flicker. Yeah, I got a bit sidetracked from what I was working on, and this was just going to be advertising for something else that I was working on, and I actually got distracted on this because this started looking a bit cool. I'm quite pleased with it. It doesn't do anything fancy. There's no double sine waves or sine waves going in different directions to make the text move up and down. There's nothing like that. I just wanted to see if I could get a system of interlacing sprites working quite successfully. You can see that I've just done it on top of my Ghost Hunt game. It's what I tend to do. Whatever program I've got open, I start hacking about with it. So I did actually make a copy actually, so I haven't butchered that completely. I've still got the full source for that. But yeah, I think I've even impressed myself this time. Makes my checkerboard and my initial attempt when I'd made the Galaxian sprite moving a sine wave look a bit lame. I'm getting there. Another added bonus of interlacing is you get transparency. So if you look, you can see through the text and see the goes through, because actually half the time the text isn't there. So you get a bonus of transparency, which looks even more cool. Don't know whether the CCD on these cameras doesn't pick up the flicker. It's just flickering a little bit. I'll have to at the weekend burn it onto a ROM and try it on my board, see what that looks like. But yeah, thought that might interest some of you. And as you've seen, if you're watching, like you do with most scrolling messages, you put shout outs to everybody. And that's about it.